Welcome back to the Canva course. Become a Canva qualified professional and a very detailed course on Canva. So in this video, we will be learning about how to use a template. So without wasting much time, we'll go into the Canva interface and then we'll start with the templates. The interface video, I would have just said there is an option called template, and you have different huge variety of templates ready-made available. And here in this video, we'll be learning about how to choose a template, how to modify it as per our own need and necessity. Now for that, after signing into the Canva, you need to go to templates. Now this is actually the area where the templates are available. Now you can see here all the templates are available. Now you can actually choose from here also. Now let me create something using a like school. I just want a poster for school saying admission open. So if I am going to click this school, you can see when I had clicked school template, it is giving me excellent option to go for this poster. Whether I can go for a template which is ready-made available. See here, this is one part. I can just click and go for it, and I can customize it. For example, let me show you how to customize it. Click the customize the option button. It will take you to that template. See here. Now everything is there. Admission open for 2023. Better future starts here. Enroll now, and our facilities. All those things are here. Now here you need to add your logo. So either you can delete this, and you can insert any element or any template, any logo. We can search for a logo. Okay, logo. So if my school is having this logo, I'll just click and I'll add it, and I'll drag and make it in smaller size. And if I want, I can change the color also. I'll go for a bright color. Might be my school's logo is a different one, and I can go for the background part also. Like I can go for, see, now I have made a logo of my school, and here I can insert text also. Like I should add my school name, so I can add here, for example, SPGSA school. Now you can drag and put it here, and if you're not liking this style, you can change the font. And if you are wanting change of color, again I can go for the change of color also. I'll go for something change of color. Now this is how a simply available template can be converted into your own design. Got it? Now again we'll go back here, as I just want to create. Let us choose the template again, and I am liking some design, but the matter is not fit for my poster. So what I can do is I can go again to school. I can choose a design. Okay, I'll go and choose this design. Now I can customize it. I can customize it as I want it. The similar way which we did a slide to change it, change a template as per our own. I don't want this color. Now I am going to use a very bright color. For example, I'll use this color. See here, I've changed this. Now here I'm going to write the school name, SST school, and I am going to write here admission open. And I've given the, now I want this to be a little bit bigger. I can go for a bigger size. See, I can go for a bigger size. And if I don't want this white background, I can remove it. I can delete this part which I don't want, and I can change the color of this pink color to something else, maybe a yellow color. Now I am going to use this font to still more bright. Okay, now I'm going to position it so that the admission comes properly. Okay. I'll drag this yellow color a little bit more, and then now I have fixed my SST school admission open for registration. Now I actually don't want this, maybe this rainbow I don't want. I can go and select and delete it. Now I can go for some other elements which is matching with the school. Let us search for school crayons, school first. Okay, then under school we'll go for crayons. You can see here the crayons coming over, which is matching with the school template. So I can use this crayon. Now I am going to pull down this, I am going to delete this, I am going to delete this. I am going to use this crayons as a border. Now this also I can shift it here. Now it has become a different colored poster for your school. So this is how you have to use a template and then customize it as per your need. So from the beginning, while I'll summarize once again, you just have to choose a template, and if you want a special category, search the special category bar which is above. And if you are a school owner and you want an admission open, click school and use any template to convert and modify, and according to your own school, the logo can be put up, the name of the school can be put up. So this is how to choose a template and create a design from the huge library of templates available to you. So thank you for watching. I'll be back with yet another session on different Canva topic. Thank you for watching.